So here we go. Here's the pour. Look at that. Nice green tea.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, where are we going, Irfan?
We are going to get a traditional Pakistani breakfast at a place around the corner from where we're living. It's called Cuisine, Tea Spot and Restaurant. And this place basically serves the authentic Pakistani breakfast. So we're going to get some freshly made tea, we're going to get some kawa, and we're going to get some parathas, various different flavors. So we're going to try that out.
Yeah, so we are basically currently now at E11 in Islamabad. And as I mentioned before, it's just literally around the corner. We've been eyeing this place up for a while. And
like 2 nights in a row, 2 days in a row, hasn't it?
I am so excited to try this. The cheese paratha look amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the guy just come out with all the dough now. So look at this.
So that is all the dough that they use there, right?
He's just massaging it now, he's just massaging it.
Yeah. Right, so what we're doing right now, we've ordered a few parathas, right? So we've ordered a cheese paratha, a aloo paratha.
Yeah, potato and cheese.
Yeah, and then I've got a plain paratha with a bit of andam. So you can see here, so you got the dough there, he's rolling it out there, and you can see that within that there's loads of butter, right, and you can see it's nice, silky smooth. I nearly fell over there. So this one, he's put in a bit of aloo in there, proper mashing it up and spreading it across.
That's the cheese and aloo.
Yeah, this is the cheese and aloo paratha, and there's, look, couple of slices of cheese going in there, cheese slices going in there. And then fold it over nicely. And so once it's folded it over, and you got the aloo in there, you got the cheese in there, and then it's going to go in that nice hot griddle pan, sizzling away. Right, so you're going to chuck some oil in, right? Oil's going down on that nice hot griddle pan. There is the aloo and cheese paratha. It's going to go chucked right on there. You can hear that sizzle. Lovely, that's what we like. Let's get a nice angle to get this guy cooking it. And you know what? He's doing a proper stern job of it. Because look at that.
Stern job, eh?
Proper stern job right there. To keep it moving like Bugsy, innit?
Yeah, you got to keep it moving, guys. Got to keep it moving.
So it doesn't burn. So you're going to take it off the heat, put it back on the heat, turn it around. Oh yeah. You know what? I woke up this morning thinking I'm going to have a light breakfast and a light day because we had a really heavy day of eating food yesterday. You know, the kabli palau and all the tikkas, but mate, as soon as you see this, nah fam, got to be done. So he's getting all that nice edges in, it's getting it all cooking right through, so it's proper nice.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for this breakfast.
This is going to be good, man.
It's going to be good, man. My mouth is watering just looking at it getting cooked.
Let's have a look at them making the tea, if they haven't already. So this is the place where they make the tea in these traditional green pots. So you got one for tea and one for some kawa as well. We're just going to see if he's made them right now. So to make the tea, they get some fresh milk and put it into this green pot. So you've got this big massive pot of milk in there, and it's poured in a couple of, oh, that is a very hot flame there. Put some raw sugar in there. This is like the pure sugar. This isn't the refined sugar that we basically are used to in the UK and other parts of the world. This is what they call gur, which is just pure sugar that's made. Then he's going to put in the tea, which is loose tea. So it's not like in tea bags, it's in loose tea, and then he's just going to mix it in a really hot flame. He's putting some cardamom in there as well to give it that Pakistani flavour. And then the next one on the side is kawa. So for you that don't know, kawa is basically green tea, and it's very refreshing in the morning. I've already had a couple of cups of tea already, so I didn't want to basically have a third one, so I might just try a bit of your guys and finish it off with a nice bit of kawa. Oh, I can smell the tea already, you know. Right, so now we're getting a little bit of a tea pour going in. Right, so They're now gonna bring our tea down. We're gonna go and check it out and enjoy it. Oh, the food is here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at that.
Here's that tea arrived as well.
Look at that.
This is what I'm saying. This is the breakfast of champions.
Look at.
The
You excited, Fizz?
I'm excited. Getting my belly right now.
Right, so let's check it out. Yeah. He's a good man.
So good.
He's a good man.
Nice.
Bit of sauce. Might try a bit of your cheese one, yeah, let's check it out.
Really nice.
Right, what I'm having here is a bit of pickle. And that is traditional Pakistani pickle, which is a bit chili as well. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Mmm.
This is so good.
And so simple. It's like basic food, it's nothing fancy.
Oh yeah, look at that. So you just like, they've got cuts in them. You just tear it off.
That's actually really good.
Finger size cheese parathas.
That's actually really, really good. Let's try a bit of the aloo paratha. Stuffing that we saw earlier. All cooked inside. Oh yeah.
Nice and filling. This is so
They're
good.
like proper stuff.
I think Vibes is the winner of this one.
Yeah.
I
I think aloo cheese paratha, mate. Very good. Very good, very nice.
Very good, but very filling, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm stuffed already.
Got my cup of tea here, guys. F1 has the cream on top, but I always like to take it out. And that's it, you just put it on the side and have a nice cup of tea. Wow.
Verdict?
That is so delicious.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Have you tried it?
Proper tea, yeah?
Yeah, it's proper tea. You can tell, like, it's made
Love
with
and
love.
care. Cow, huh?
Cow.
Right here. Oh yeah.
I'm doing it.
Yes. Yes, you have to dip your paratha. That kava is nice. Very, very light. It's not heavy like tea. I've had a couple already, so didn't want to have a cup of tea. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna pop by here in the morning and just sit and have a cup of tea, I think.
Yeah, we'll just get it literally around the corner.
Yeah, it's around the corner. You can literally pop out for 5 minutes, get a tea and come back.
You can just get it from me and Fizz and
Yeah,
bring
we
it
get a
back.
takeout. No, what? I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed.
I'm impressed too.
She's happy now. She's a bit mardy before.
I was gonna knock her fan out.
Yeah, she literally was.
I was angry. Hungry.
That's why I was just like, you keep quiet and you just
Vibes are just
smile
like,
and wave, boys.
Yeah,
That was what you call a traditional street cafe, and the type of typical breakfast that you can get early in the morning. Proper tea and proper green tea, and the way it should be made. I don't think you should have tea any other way.
no, honey. So on that note, guys, we have had a lovely time. Hope you've had a lovely time. Check this place out definitely if you are in the E11 area around Pakistan. Stay tuned for more of our videos. We are going to be travelling through Pakistan from the south all the way up into the north. So subscribe to our channel.
Hit that bell icon so you're notified when we upload all of our videos so you don't miss out. Remember, we're uploading regularly 3 times a week, every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Sunday without fail.
Follow your visions, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Toodle pips.
Toodle pips.